Hey fam, can you guess what you're looking at? Yep, what are they? Go ahead, drop it in the comments. Let's get into the video, guys. Cookies, anybody? Today we're making oatmeal cookies. Let's get 2 sticks of butter into our bowl. Okay, let's add 1 cup of brown sugar, and baby, I packed that sugar in that cup. Half a cup of granulated sugar we just added. Okay, let's blend our mixture until it's nice and creamy. I'm having challenges keeping my mixture in the bowl, y'all. Y'all see it flying everywhere? Ha! Okay, let's go ahead and scrape the side of the bowl to try to get all that mixture right into the middle. I need the butter in the bowl. Okay, let's try it. Let's add our first egg. Eggs are room temperature. My mixture into here. So I decided to put my cookie mixture into a larger bowl. The bowl would be better. Okay, let's add egg number 2 to that mixture, and then we will continue to blend some more. Y'all, this bowl seems to be working better, but if it looks like I'm struggling, it's because I am. I'm using my KitchenAid bowl, y'all. That's what it is. One tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay, after some more mixing, this is what our mixture looks like. Okay, now we're adding our dry ingredients. You're going to see 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder. We'll add some cinnamon, and we'll add some ginger. The same thing. Pinch of salt. Okay, guys, let's mix up those dry ingredients, get everything blended together, and then we will incorporate it into our wet mixture. Okay, y'all, we just scraping the side of that bowl again, trying to get everything mixed together. Okay, we're going to add in some old-fashioned rolled oats. Let's add some chocolate chips and some walnuts. Let's take these cookies to another level. Okay, let's start adding our cookies to our cookie sheet, which is lined with parchment paper. Cookie sheet number 2, we wanted to get even fancier, guys, and added some coconut flakes to that mixture. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you are enjoying my video. Y'all keep watching. We are almost at the end. I want you to see how these cookies came out. Okay, so right here, we're going to just put some plastic saran wrap over the cookies. The cookies will be placed into the refrigerator for a little bit to let them chill, and then we'll get to baking. Here's a sneak peek of what the cookies are looking like. Look at them. Look real closely, guys. Keep watching. Cookies are done. Now tell me why. Why do they look so flat? I'm confused, y'all. Why are my cookies looking so flat? They look like flatbread oatmeal cookies. The flavor was delicious. Y'all, look at the next batch. At this point, the cookies have fallen. They've dropped. Why? Thanks for hanging out with me today and watching the video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. It's your girl, Keitha T. Y'all be blessed. Bye now.